Ready for the dictation? On the count of 3, 2, 1, start. I called the house several times, and in as much as each time I was unable to get any reply. I think that these people were away and the house was closed. You have not replied to our note of 4th February asking for a check for the goods supplied to you on 12th November. We would like to know why you have not settled this bill. If you wish to place your furs in cold storage, we can call for them and deliver them to you when you tell us to do so. Our charges are most reasonable. Let us store them for you, and you will have nothing to worry about. Most people have believed in the past that it was necessary to pay a lot of money for a good club SETI. No doubt they were right, but we can tell you now that it is not at all necessary to pay much for a good article, as we have just put on the market our Easy Rest SETI, which is available for only a few guineas. Please tell us what the cost would be of a safe about 4 feet high and with a capacity of about 40 cubic feet. The cost should include delivery to this building.